to Cooking with Casey,
Jackson,
Carla.
Today we are making a birthday sheet cake with chocolate cream cheese frosting.
Yeah, it's gonna be delicious.
Stay tuned.
That one's fun.
Yay, that was good.
Okay. Powdered sugar, baking powder, all-purpose flour, baking soda, eggs, salt, buttermilk, vegetable oil, vanilla, cream cheese, unsalted butter, unsweetened cocoa powder, sugar. To start out, in a large mixing bowl, you want to add 2 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 3 1/4 cup of flour. Next, in a separate bowl, you want to add 2 eggs, 5 additional egg yolks, 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, I'm going to be using vegetable oil, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Alright, the next step is you're going to take 2 sticks of butter. You're going to want that butter at room temperature preferably. And you're going to cut those, you're going to dice them into 1-inch cubes. Once you have them into 1-inch cubes, you're going to add them to the dry ingredients. And then you're going to take an electric mixer with the cake beaters attachment on them, and you're going to start out on low speed and slowly work your way up to medium speed on the electric mixer until you have a substance that's a coarse meal. That's going to take 4 to 5 minutes of mixing time. You probably want half of that on low, and then once you have a lot of the butter incorporated into the dry ingredients, you can crank it up to medium speed. So once you've incorporated the butter into the dry ingredients and you have a substance that resembles coarse meal, you're going to make a small well in the center of the dry ingredients, and you're going to add half of the liquid ingredients. So once you've added the rest, or the half of the liquid ingredients, you want to take your mixer again, and you're going to start on low speed like last time and slowly advance to medium speed, and you're going to want to incorporate the wet ingredients until the batter is well hydrated. And you're looking for a batter that is smooth, light, and thick. This should take approximately a minute to a minute and a half.
Now lightly butter the bottom of the pan and add some flour to it so that the cake doesn't stick while it's baking. Once you have done this, carefully pour in the batter and spread it evenly across the pan.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is take a stick and a half of butter, and we're going to cube it just like we did earlier with the cake. The cup and a half of butter, you're going to add 6 ounces of cream cheese. To the butter cream cheese mixture, we're going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar. You're also going to add 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. You're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, and you're going to mix that on medium-high speed for a little bit more. Medium-high speed for about 1 more minute, and then the icing will be good. All right, we're done.
Time to eat.
I'll wait for y'all to get in there.
Okay.
Careful, careful.
I'm scared.
Careful, careful.
Shall I wait for you guys?
It's not a disaster.
Okay.
The cake.
Alright.
How is it?
I can't get anything.
For you guys.
Oh, it looks like I got a great bite.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Really good.
I'll see that.
I think this is fantastic. If you're looking for a quick cake for a birthday or a get-together, this is not too hard. It's still in the pan, a little bit of saran wrap, and you can take it right over to a friend's.
So do we approve this?
Do
I
thumbs up.
approve. 4 thumbs up.
8 out of 10. Very nice. You have to be critical.
That's
Okay, now we're gonna
That's
eat the
fair.
rest of